We decided to do reverse engineering of a flashlight. I'm Gabby.
I'm JT.
And this is our project. Our first part was the large ring. The large ring holds the battery and the lights together. It is made out of aluminum and has a very slick surface. Part 2 was the small ring. The small ring keeps the rope attached to the flashlight. It's made out of aluminum and has a very slick surface. Both of these parts were kind of easy to make because they were just pretty much circles extruded, and we added a shiny color to them. Part 3 was the lens. The lens covers and protects the lights from damage. It is made out of plastic and has a very smooth surface. It was also an easy part because it's just a circle. The fourth part was a light holder, which holds the lights in place. It's made out of plastic and metal and has a very rigid surface. It was one of the harder parts because of the coil we had to use and all the lights, but after you made one, you could pretty much use the pattern button.
The fifth part was the top button. The top button activates the lights to turn them on and off. It is made out of aluminum, plastic, and rubber, and has a very rigid surface. It is one of the harder ones because it's the coil and separate different layers. Part 6 was the battery holder. The battery holder holds the battery and produces electricity. It is made out of metal and plastic and has a smooth surface. It was also one of the more complex parts. Part 7 is the main body. The main body holds everything together and protects everything. It is made out of aluminum and has a rigid surface. Part 8 is the rope. The rope is used as a handle to hold the flashlight. It is made out of aluminum and rubber and has a soft surface.
These are all our dimension drawings, which they took a little while to make because of all the arcs and all the different layers and lines, and you had to do multiple dimensions for all the parts. And this is our exploded view, which is all the parts right before they're going to go together. Then this is our final assembly, which is what the flashlight looks like when it's complete.